Get ready to brighten up Diwali with our amazing Diwali super sale from Diya's collections.
It's Festival of Lights and celebrate this Diwali with our colorful dresses. This offer starts from 1st November till 11th November only. We offer a variety of saris, ready-made blouses, kurtas, tops, leggings, kids' traditional dresses, and exclusive fashion jewelries too. Contact us today for your needs. Wide varieties of choices for children's dresses are available. Don't forget, this offer starts from 1st November to 11th November 2023. Start your order today, save shipping fees and enjoy our free shipping. This offer is until Diwali only. Diya's collections. Hurry up and start your Diwali shopping from home. Call us at 0091 63691 17761. Join our WhatsApp group to see our latest collections. Interested in creating a video like this for your business? Contact us today via one of these options. Send an email or call us at 603-8966-1985.